Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Binance for faster transactions, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Binance account and log in. Navigate to the settings area by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select API Management. Create a new API key if you don't have one. Name your API key and click Create. Complete the security verification as prompted. Once your API key is created, take note of both the key and secret. Go to the security settings in your account. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Return to the main dashboard and select Wallet. Click on Spot Wallet to view your assets. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific cryptocurrencies. To enhance transaction efficiency, prioritize the coins you trade most frequently. Now, head to the trade option on the home page. Choose between classic or advanced trading interfaces. For faster trades, the advanced interface offers more features. Familiarize yourself with the order types available. Consider using limit orders for better control over transaction prices. Adjust your trading view settings. Enable the depth chart for real-time market data. Add the order book for quick access to buy and sell orders. To minimize transaction times, use the market order when speed is essential. Keep an eye on network congestion during peak times. During heavy traffic, it might be beneficial to limit trades to off-peak hours. Check Binance fee structure to understand withdrawal and trading costs. Always ensure you have enough BNB in your account for reduced fees. Monitor your transaction history under the Orders tab. To optimize liquidity, consider holding multiple cryptocurrencies. Update your app regularly to benefit from performance improvements. If you're using the mobile app, enable push notifications for alerts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.